Today's Sunday, February 18th. This is the 1968, 1 year only, original vintage Rochester carburetor for the Eldorado. It's specific as it's identified as a 702 2831 right here on the rear lobe vertically. This is Eldorado specific. The unit has been completely disassembled, and this is a show quality restoration, including the dichromate body colorization as per the original design specifications. And we can go ahead and take a look inside from the top. Absolutely beautiful. You can see the jets and everything else as the unit was completely disassembled. All the linkages calibrated and performance tuned specific to the 1968 Cadillac Eldorado. Okay, so this will be going to our friends at Holco Layton in New Jersey, to Jim over there who's restoring BJ's 1968 Eldorado. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage items for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados. Over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, of course these fully restored, show quality, beautiful, performance-tuned carburetors, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Sunday, February 18th. Thank you very kindly.